Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails with vodka at home. First, let's gather your essential tools. You'll need a cocktail shaker, a jigger for measuring, and a strainer. Next, stock your bar with quality vodka, a variety of mixers like soda water and juices, and fresh garnishes such as citrus and herbs. Using fresh ingredients truly elevates your drink's taste, making every sip more enjoyable. Now let's master some basic mixing techniques. For drinks containing juice, cream, or egg whites, shaking is key. It chills and dilutes your cocktail perfectly. For clear spirits like a martini, stirring is preferred to maintain clarity and a silky texture. Always measure your ingredients precisely with a jigger. This ensures consistent flavor and a balanced drink every time you mix. Ready to mix? Let's start with some easy vodka cocktail recipes. A Moscow Mule is simple. Combine 1½ ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of ginger beer, and ½ ounce of fresh lime juice over ice. For a refreshing vodka soda, mix 2 ounces of vodka with 4 ounces of soda water and a squeeze of lemon or lime. Or try a classic screwdriver with 2 ounces of vodka and 4 ounces of orange juice. To truly elevate your home bar, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different brands of vodka or infuse your own with fruits and herbs. Always taste your cocktail before serving and adjust as needed. A little more citrus or sweetener can make a big difference. Remember, practice makes perfect. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your home bar experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.